It's 12 o'clock, the sun is out, and man, it reminds me so much of Jamaica. But my mind is constantly searching for new ways to grow, new ways to improve. The TikTok are going good. I really like what go on, and I like how it grow.
Yeah, that's
everything
nice.
grow good. Yeah. Like people,
No, I say the best thing to do is to build your business with the people them who have interest.
Yeah, exactly. The niche.
Niche, yeah.
Right, niche. I love it. It's a nice vibe, it's a nice energy over there, and like a nice like, family over there. But I just want
that transition into your YouTube.
Exactly,
yeah.
exactly.
So ask them.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask them to come over to my YouTube because we still have good content. It's just like different content on my YouTube, extended content.
Right.
There is so. You may say extended content. There is. I know where the there is they come from.
I wanna do there.
Yeah, man, I mean, good content over there.
Good content, good music, and as we say, people don't gravitate. Good people gravitate towards good
music.
Toward good things.
Yeah,
good music.
Because at one point, made a kind of worry. Say, no worry, but I was thinking, being what the music industry is, and the type of music that actually, if you notice, the type of music we actually make it at the music where I know the best, and when your kids hear it, and them music they always blow up. But then maybe
it's short-lived though.
Exactly, and then a feed you for the rest of your life.
No, let's just say you have pension music.
Pension music, pension money. Exactly. So I just that. So I just want to get it off, but it's not easy because we don't have no big income and we don't have no big bucketive. But we'll get there.
We don't need that, but as we say, if you want to attract the right people and the right crowd, they will come.
Exactly.
The journey is so long, it's like 16 years, though it feels so impossible, won't misbehave, cause
I've been sitting here for a while trying to figure things out. But I must remind myself that things will never be perfect. The timing for anything I'm doing will never be perfect. Just stop overthinking. Stop doing it. Give the man a call so we can get this project off the ground. This music has to come to light. Yeah. You know what? I'll just send him a voice note. Brace yourself. It starts now.
Yo, cause where are you, man? You good? Hope you're good enough. There, man, I check your cards. I have one idea about a project that I want to start work on. It's just a concept I have, but I want a rhythm for use as a guide, I want some decent rhythm, so I know so you are the man for that. So, I don't know if you have nothing right, where you can send me, because I want to start right. I want to start right for the rhythm while I have the concept fresh in my head. You see it, so let me know what can go on, man. Let me know if everything good and let me know what can go on. Is it?
How you say, man? Rhythm there for days, cuz. How you did there? You still Ripah or what?
He's been working on something special, you can tell by his energy.
Me have a rhythm, man. Can send you right now, like, just loop it up. Hold on. Yeah, man, check your female in about 5 minutes a day, man. Still Ripah gmail.com. I use that email still. That's what me know. I send it already, man. You just voice it and just send back the file. Just mix it, I say, you understand? So we can get to put out this thing. Because believe it or not, the EP, the episode, I'm mad thing, cuz, man. Just go and big up yourself, man. Glad to hear from you and know everything alright, you understand?
Ripah, come fi tell you something real. Well, if of them a try set it, no a judge a make it. Looking at yourself and just stop talk. We strive until we reach the top hill, but then when we jump shot.
My head's been spinning, my thoughts are going. That thing Skelly told me, That's what this is all about. Now it's time to put it to music. Make it relatable, make it make sense, and make it fun. So I write. I'm putting my everything into this one. I mean, everything. Everything I know, all my feelings, and all my experiences. I know I'm not the only one with this experience.
I don't know what it would be if you were not here in my life. Feels like everyone's trying to judge me when they know nothing about my life. That's why every day, gotta pray. Not go cry, won't run away. Cause
I've managed to put 2 solid verses together, plus the chorus. For the 3rd verse, I don't know yet. I guess I'll just freestyle it.
Watch the cops a kill me people on the camera. Hard to get no justice when the system make me hammer. You're from Kingston back to Kenya, sent Mary to Nigeria. Rise up, yeah, me people, nothing but we're not inferior. Superior is the word them use to kill my mind. Like pack the broken wings, I fly with through the ends of time. Can't forget the slave ship, the beer with over with spine. Still a rob with culture blind, never tell me I'm divine.
It's almost an hour and a half. I've been doing it all myself. Studio engineer, artist, and motivator. The 3rd verse is almost done. I need to get the chorus as smooth as possible. I'll have to do that one more time. But I love it.
My vein, yes, I got the blood of a slave in my vein. Real blood of a slave in my vein. Yes, I got the blood of a slave, heart of a king. Real blood of a slave in my vein, I will never put no bleach over my skin. Cause me love me melanin, my connection to the king. Yo, me rhyme is like a pipe when on a top, so you're missing. Israelite, follow your destiny. Make we march.
I went for a run to clear my head. And the weirdest thing happened. I got stung by a wasp. Or something. I didn't see it. I just felt it. The last time this happened to me, I was in Jamaica. The recording yesterday was beautiful. Now I need to get to Tropical. Let him know I sent it off. Oh God, this is killing me.
Yo, send off a thing last night, I forget to tell you, check your email. Or your she-mail, sorry. And yeah, me send it off and let me know it's there and if me need to fix nothing and so, but me fix up what me can fix up here so and everything looks so good. Me just done run star. Me I tell you say, can't believe this happened to me. Me I run normal and I was bite me man. Now me right and me in my head back or something. Me I said John no star. Yeah, but anyway, let me know it goes in. Cause me feel like that one you have a vibe. Me feel like that one you hot. But more you listen it, cause you are gonna do the final touch up, see? Alright, bless up. Look a bit.
How will this one turn out? Find out on the next episode of The Journey.
Yes, I got the blood of a slave in my vein. Real blood of a slave in my vein. Yes, I got the blood of a slave, heart of a king. Real blood of a slave in my vein.